The rebounding was a problem, and then down the stretch, we had a tie score with about, I think it was a minute something, 24 or something. We had an open three, good play, shot it good, missed it, and then we gave up two costly threes at the end.
Robert was a late scratch tonight. What's his status going forward?
We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Said he felt good, but we'll see.
Late in the game, you liked the looks that you had, but you said the rebounding was a problem all night. Was that a product of Robert not being in there that the rebounding suffered, or where do you?
Well, Karl had foul trouble, and so that hurt us early on. Going down the stretch, I thought when we got up, we got to play tough down the stretch, and we didn't do that.
Josh came off the bench tonight. He hasn't played much recently. What do you think of the effort that he gave for you guys tonight?
Yeah, for not playing for a while, I thought there was some good, the things that he can do better. He did a good job, though. Yeah.
We were talking before about how jumbled the West is, even though it's only December. How tough is it to lose a close game like that when the standings are as tight as they are?
They're all tough. Every loss is tough. You just got to get ready for the next one. It doesn't get easier. You get challenged. Golden State. We got to be ready for that one.
Coach, did you feel like there was any kind of a defensive breakdown on those last two threes, or was it just great shots by great players?
Well, we didn't do what we were supposed to do, so I'll leave it at that.
Can you comment on the matchup with Nurk and karl-Anthony? They both went at it pretty good.
Nurk doesn't. Aminu guards Karl most of the time, but Nurkic is a terrific player, hard playing. Plays with a physicality to him. Aminu's, very good. They're a good team.